Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to walk you through how to get started with Trade Republic, from downloading the app to making your first investment and even setting up savings plans. Let's jump in. First, download the Trade Republic app from your app store. Open it up, register, and complete the identity verification process. This usually involves uploading your ID and taking a quick selfie. Once that's done, you'll need to fund your account by sending money from your registered bank account, or using Apple Pay, Google Pay, or even a credit card. Now that your account is funded, it's time to invest. Just tap the Browse button in the app, and you'll be able to explore stocks, ETFs, crypto, bonds, or derivatives. When you find something you like, tap on it to view all the details, like price charts, news, and analyst ratings. Ready to buy? Tap the Buy button. You can place a market order which buys immediately at the best price, a limit order where you set your own maximum price, or a stop order to automatically sell if the price drops to your chosen level. Next up, managing your investments. Trade Republic makes this super easy. You can set up savings plans to automatically invest a fixed amount every week or month in your chosen asset, perfect for long-term growth. You can also check your portfolio performance anytime with clear stats on your daily, weekly, and yearly returns. And when it's time to cash out, just head to your portfolio, select the asset, tap Sell, and choose your order type and amount, and that's it. You're officially ready to invest with Trade Republic. If this video helped you out, forget to hit like, subscribe for more investing guides, and let me know in the comments what your first Trade Republic investment will be. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.